Welcome back. I will continue from timeline. So how to edit on timeline. From this file, tap on it, then select the file you want to work on. So from this place, just click on this plus add to track, or you can simply drag from here to the timeline. So that is how you can bring video or any other materials from your media to your timeline. So this is the media interface. This happens to be the preview area, and this is the timeline. So earlier I mentioned where you can split and cut, and I say that there are some other basic information you get to access from this position. So if I click out of this video, you see that there's nothing there and only this place is available. So if I tap on it again, other things will be available. Likewise, you have access to some other editing tool in this position. So from here we have video, audio, speed, animation, and adjustments. So this is how you can import materials from your media to your timeline, and then you can be able to preview what you are working on the preview area. So pause the video and practice what you just watched.